perfume. I thought I was immune. Looking around this room, can't help but see the traces of you. This moment is surreal. I can't put into words how I feel. Twin, where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gon' love me quite like you. Can't even deny it every time I try it. One look in my eyes, you know I'm I see it clear, my heart is here. We got each other, let's take it from there. And if I could, I'd love you forever and a time. Oh, what we've been through, no one else knows. 'Cause all that matters is how far this goes. And it will go until it starts again. And you, I feel like armor. Nothing can stop love from loving on us. Yeah, now I'm not asking for much, just a couple of forevers. A couple of forevers. I'm the only one, you're the only one. Together to never. I'm talking about forever. Just a couple of forevers. I'm the only one, you're the only one. Together to never. Ooh, it can get hard, damn it gets rough. It can get crazy, but not for us. 'Cause we gotta struggle just to stay up.
Zack, Shyanne, congratulations. It's been an honor watching you two grow together over the last several years, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for you guys.
Congratulations, Shyanne and Zack. I'm super proud. I'm so happy for you guys. I'm happy to be a part of your big day. And I love you guys. And yeah, that's it.
Congratulations to Zack and Shyanne. Love you guys both. May your marriage be filled with happiness, love, and joyfulness.
This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen. I don't think you listen. For me to come out, it must mean I'm not the job. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the job. I want to show you my world. Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me
I'd heard his name bounce around the house for a few months, and finally it was the day when he was coming over to meet us. And you know, as the dad, I thought I would intimidate him, but then when he showed up, he was much bigger than me, so you know that went out the window. But I was impressed with him. Very nice, very respectful young man. So as much as I tried to not like him, he won me over.